So good day everyone, I'm Charles Darrell Nicart and I'll be explaining the key principles of OOP through the game that I have built. So key principles, we have four: the encapsulation, inheritance, abstraction, lastly the polymorphism. So let's start with encapsulations. So encapsulation binds the data with methods that operate on it while restricting direct access. So anong ibig sabihin nito? So to show you in my code, I have demonstrated encapsulation by creating an instance of timer handler and UI handler. So these helper classes, the timer handler and UI handler, their internal data is actually hidden across my whole program. And the only one that has direct access on those data is my game. So that's how I demonstrated my encapsulation in my program. So next is inheritance. So this is one of the most basic one. Child classes inherit properties methods from a parent class. It allows a class to use or extend the functionality of another class. So to show you an example, I have two classes here, the parent class and the child class. So the parent class is Magic Sword Checker while the child class is the class game. So ano nangyayari dito? So in my parent class, I have this certain behavior that I want to use in my child class. So instead of rewriting every code na pwede mag-cause ng errors, to avoid errors, I'm just gonna call the Magic Sword Checker by inheriting the class. So, I'm gonna inherit this. So, magagamit ko na yung behavior or the method na is Magic Square Checker. Is Magic Square correct? So, doon gumagana yung inheritance. Next is the abstraction. So, abstraction hides complex logic behind simple interfaces. So, anong ibig sabihin nito? So, in my code, I have abstract class power up and inside it, meron tayong abstract method which serves as a contract. So, ibig sabihin, kapag in-inherit natin yung abstract class, parang may kontrata na kailangan i-implement natin yung method na apply. Ito, kailangan natin i-implement itong method apply. So, ang nangyari dito, in-implement natin siya sa kada class na nag-inherit, which ang ginamit natin dito is in-override natin yung method. So, sabi doon kanina, it hides the complex codes, itong messy codes na to, into a simple interface. So, tinatago natin siya dito sa iisang method na apply. So, next is polymorphism. Polymorphism means many forms. Polymorphism lets object behave differently through one interface. So, using the same method name for different behaviors. So, to show you how it works, kung maalala nyo kanina in the abstraction, meron tayong mga power-ups. So, nilagay natin siya sa dictionary and then dito gagana yung polymorphism. So, dito, ang nangyari sa one-liner na to, dun sa apply, marami siya, diba? The timer reduction power-up, friendly fire, and bonus int, attack power, and marami siyang, so sabi dun kanina, diba? Many forms in one phase. Oh, so, ito lang yung makita natin. And ito, runtime siyang magde-decide kung ano yung gagamitin niya. Kung ano yung mangyayari, kung mag-reduce ba siya ng time, kung mag-friendly fire ba siya. So, that's how the polymorph works. So, that's all. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.